Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our group, Abdulaziz and Mana and Steven, doing our presentation in POL 500 course. To have clear and obvious understanding about the issue, the United Nations has 17 sustainable development goals, and we choose the first goal to talk about it, and especially about poverty energy. We will present some statistical data. 1 in 7 people across the globe still without electricity. Nearly 3 billion cook using polluting fuels. Also, about the effort of the United Nations, the global electrification rate rose from 83 to 85, and also for decrease the people who can't access the electric power from 1.2 billion to 1.1. This is in three years. In Africa itself, there are rapid dissemination of mobile phone. They try to use dry cell battery and small-scale solar projects. This is, as a result to this reduce consuming kerosene and fuel. In Nigeria itself, there are 60 to 70 of the Nigerian population don't have or can't access to electricity. Also, when we mentioned about our research question, how can Nigeria use its reforms to achieve its target 40,000 megawatt by 2030? Our objective to know the challenges which prevent ending energy poverty and the solutions. By analyzing comparison between researchers what have said in this issue, as statistical data, Nigeria by 2030, if they don't do anything by 2030, Nigeria unfortunately will be in crisis because of energy poverty. Our scope will be Nigeria. First, we will present the challenges. Global challenges, according to Obido. They mentioned, and his colleagues in 2018, they mentioned two challenges, general challenges: the lack of related technical and uncertainty of financial resource. Also, from other view, the growing risk of distribution to energy supply, this is as a global challenge, and the threat of environmental damage caused by energy production and resistant energy poverty. When we talk about Nigeria itself, Anwaka and his colleagues set 5 challenges: dearth of technological knowing, meager financial resource, lack of energy mix, poor maintenance management, and inadequate gas infrastructure. Also, the lack of investment capital and external aid, the power infrastructure, the poor power infrastructure, the lack of stimulating and unpaced market that enhance both consumer and utilizer. But there are also they presented solutions that can we discuss in our presentation. We will mention some of them by Anawana and Akpan, they talk about privatization and strengthen the rest other economic sectors. Also, they talk about regulation by preventing monopoly and supporting competitiveness, and enhance and stimulate effective performance in all Nigeria economy. Also, they talk about providing adequate finance, carrying our rapid reforms to manage financial resources. Also, talk about effectively manage to the sector operations, access to the available financial resource. Olivido and his colleagues also they set some solutions about the issue about the energy poverty in Nigeria. They say providing adequate finance, they talk about securing gas because of sabotage operations, collective financial maintenance, modernization, and investment, encouraging investment in this field. Also, other researchers talk about attention should be to the large proportion of, they talk about priority to spreading the energy in Nigeria, also providing job opportunities for Nigerians, and also they talk about renewable energy should be source should be a new culture in the Nigerian community. All individual, community, institutional energy should use renewable energy resources. Onichi and his colleagues also state some solutions by encouraging public-private privatization also. They talk about the investors also, encourage investors to invest in this field. They talk also about the fair pricing of gas, and they mention about something very important, which is prepaid meters to collect the electricity fees. Onishi and his colleagues also argue about replace the central control to the decentralized one. As a conclusion, we conclude that Nigeria as a country have same situation as China and India. So when we compare these situations, we suggest these solutions. First, we need strong will from the community, from the government, from the institutions. Privatization should be done in this sector, energy sector. Also the establishment of regulation and laws. Also the encouragement of investors to enter the energy sector. The collection of fees with the prepaid devices. Finally, the investment in renewable energy sources. We believe that if in Nigeria follow these solutions, we can have very low rates in 2030 about the issue, or maybe reaching 0% of energy poverty. Thank you very much. This is again our group, Abdul Aziz and Mana and Sifi. Thank you.